Hi, I'm Veronica Perez from Cornucopia Foods, and I'm here to show you how to cook corn on the George Foreman Grill. What you will need is olive oil, salt and pepper, corn on the cob, a pair of tongs, a brush, and of course your George Foreman Grill. The first thing you'll need to do is brush some olive oil on your corn. Next, place some seasoning on your corn. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Then take your pair of tongs and place your corn on the George Foreman Grill. Okay, so it's been about 3 or 4 minutes. We want to go ahead and take the corn off the grill. Take your tongs, lift the lid, remove the corn, and place it on your favorite plate with your favorite garnish. I'm Veronica Perez from Cornucopia Foods, and that's how you cook corn on the George Foreman Grill.